In this video, I'll be showing you how you can find Bitcoin wallet address on crypto.com. It is super simple to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up crypto.com on your mobile device and log into your account. Then from here, you need to go down to account. Then from here, you need to go into crypto wallet. Then from here, you need to go into transfer. And then you have the opportunity to either deposit or withdrawal. You need to click deposit. And then from here, you got this big list of different cryptocurrencies, and for this video I'm going to choose BTC or Bitcoin. And then here you need to select the network that your wallet is in. And as you can see, with Bitcoin there's only BTC, but on other cryptos you need to be aware that you need to find out what type of network that your wallet is in. So let's just click BTC and click done. And as you can see now in the second BTC wallet address, you can see a bunch of different numbers, and this is your wallet address. And down in additional info, you can see how much time the estimated arrival time will be. And as you can see right now, it will be around 20 minutes. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!